Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew and in today's episode we're talking about how you can make money by doing coaching. I hope you enjoy today's episode and find it helpful. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. Today we're talking about how you can make money by doing coaching. Now, what is coaching? In the previous video, I had mentioned consulting. And essentially, coaching is pretty much the same thing with a few minor differences. Before, consulting was getting advice, seeking your expertise, and so on. Coaching is more about solving a problem that your customer might have. Again, I could have named this channel Coaching by a Blind Guy or something to that effect, but it's essentially the same thing. Coaches are usually people who are the ones to help you through a problem. Whether you're somebody who might have depression, or maybe you're trying to do personal development, lift yourself up, gain confidence, build your own brand, build a business, having issues with various different tech, like for instance, we'll just use STREAMYARD as a hypothetical, or maybe it's Facebook, or any other social media platform, or any other topic in general. Coaches are usually the people that you would go to seek their advice on a continuous basis. Now, if you're somebody who is just getting started in social media, you might find a social media coach. And I actually happen to know one. And his name is Manny, and he does social media marketing and social media networking. In his business, he helps others with their social media, how they can improve their websites, how they can improve their content, how they can get to know their customers, how they can get to know other businesses, and so on. People go to him to get advice on how they can solve their issues with search engine optimization and getting traffic to their website, getting traffic to their business page on Facebook or Instagram, TikTok, helping them figure out their best way to get to know people in their industry through social media and networking. This is just one of many different examples of what a coach does. As I had mentioned a minute ago, people having self-confidence issues or depression, things like that, instead of going to see a therapist or a psychologist, some people will actually find a life coach. They're people who listen to you as if they were a therapist or a psychologist and give you observational feedback based on the issues that you're having and give you some advice on things you may try to do to overcome those issues, minus giving you a prescription for a mental condition. Coaches are people that are there to help you solve your problems and in turn get paid on a hourly basis for their services. So I hope you found today's video helpful. If you're interested, you can head on over to consultablindguy.com/blog, where you can find an article on this topic as well as many others to be able to make money from home and online. I also have my book, Income Booster, available as well. Link is in the description. to where you can learn more about that, get updates, potential discounts, and ordering information as well. It literally has tons of information, tips, tricks, and things to consider for you to be able to start making money from home and online. Thanks again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. And until the next time, have a great day or evening depending on where you are in the world, and we'll catch you in the next episode.